Hi everyone, I thought I would demonstrate how you can use notes within the TaxCalc suite, as there are a couple of options and they're both pretty useful. So in this example I'm going to go into Tax Return Production and open up a tax return for a client. Now before I started using this facility, anytime I did a tax return for a client I would have a separate sort of Excel worksheet for notes and queries, and I'd just start jotting all these notes down as I'm doing a tax return to pick up either with the client or with another member of staff later on down the line. But that just then takes you out of the system. I've got to store that document in my document management somewhere. So actually, when you're doing a tax return, you'll notice on any of the boxes we do have this facility to add in any relevant notes as you work your way through. So here, for example, POA reference looks incorrect. We can make a note of that. Put a note here, check POA coding notices. Let's do one more. Some of the notes actually have little comparisons on there, so if we click on the note there we can see that it's going to pop up last year's turnover figure here and what the difference is this year. So let's put turnover above that threshold. Check. So we're making some notes relevant to this year's tax return. When we're reviewing the job we can see all these notes, so it's very easy at a glance to see the notes that a preparer's made, or things that you've spotted as you've been going through that you can pick up with the client at a later opportunity, and from here you can click exactly where that note was and that will take you back to that relevant page in the tax return. So that's a nice handy little notes section. And then we have another one up on the cog here. So the cog in itself is quite handy because that can take you off to different applications within the TaxCalc suite for the same client. So you can open up another tax return, you can go to the accounts production, HMRC, forms, VAT, whatever it might be. But we've also got the option here to add a client note. Now these client notes I tend to treat more as a kind of a permanent file note. Again, in my document management system I had a separate permanent file for every client where I'd put stuff on there that was kind of enduring. But you know, when you're starting a new job, new accounts job each year, that's just another separate file to go through and read through and see if there's anything relevant. So I like this facility here just to add a client note. So let's just make a note there, and then I can show you where those notes will be accessed. Again, using the cog, I'm in the client already, so I can just go straight to the client record. If I wasn't in the client, then I'd go to Practice Manager and access the client record from there. But this will open up Practice Manager for that particular client. And then we've got the notes option down here on the left-hand side. And then this will just show chronologically all the notes that have been created for this particular client, so I can see who's created them, when they were created, what the note is, if anything needs adding, editing or deleting, or I wanted to add further notes here, I can do so from here. Obviously over a period of time you'll get more and more notes within here. So we do have filter options so that you can choose to display whichever notes are relevant to what you happen to be working on at the time. So there we go, user notes, client notes, nice bit of functionality within the TaxCalc suite.